Come on, X5 M50i. Now, how popular are these cars with the V8s? They might be a little explosive with that N63 engine. This system that we're about to show you guys, fitting the M50 and the M60i V8 powered X5s. Welcome back everybody to Valvetronic Designs. This could be the perfect daily driver for someone. We have our 6-cylinder B58 X5 exhaust package, which has proven to be quite popular. We're excited for all the enthusiasm that platform has been bringing to Valvetronic Designs. B58 definitely reigns supreme. But when we talk about the V8 exhaust systems, you will have seen the M60i video. It's listed below. But this M50i full exhaust with a set of OEM downpipes. There are no other modifications to the vehicle, just a catback system. We're excited to showcase how good this stainless steel setup sounds on these V8s. We know the M50 gets some pops and cracks from factory, but the factory exhaust is pretty lackluster. The M50i with the 4.4 liter twin turbo V8, this car that you see has the potential for great sound. The tricky thing is unlocking it in a flexible manner. Come with me real quick. I want to show you the factory exhaust system. See here, we've got our center resonator. This is actually pretty free flowing, so not a huge amount of gains here, but we put the X pipe in to help smooth out the sound, increase the velocity. So there's an improvement in flow right there. And then out to the side, you have your factory valve actuators to the side. This system on the car is using a separate valve controller. You can use your OEM exhaust valves if you so choose on this exhaust system. We always like to put the controller in so you can control the exhaust separately from the modes, but it's gonna sound phenomenal both ways. Startup, revs, flybys, we're gonna do hard accelerations, we're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, you guys are gonna get the good fortune of hanging out with Shane and I to know how good your X5 is gonna sound with this exhaust setup. Let's crank up the V8 sound. I'm excited to show you guys, let's go.
The exhaust configuration, just off the rip, we've just pulled this car out. The fact that you have the external valve controller means the factory valves aren't doing all that wacky stuff. So you get, we're doing 10 miles an hour, you get a bunch of excitement behind you with the valves open at low speed, which is, quite honestly, again, this is not an M3 CSL, it's an X5. It's a perfect daily car, but having this type of aggressive, exciting sound really transforms the experience. This thing is just now so much more exciting. Low speed too. Speed limit's 25. I'm right at 25. It's so much more enticing when you don't have to drive like your hair's on fire to get a nice aggressive sound. It's so much more of an engaging experience. But of course, Valvetronic theme, if I drop the thing back in comfort, it's like it's completely bone stock in here. You'd never know this thing's modified. Put myself back in drive. You could drive this car all the way across the country. There's no drone, there's no unwanted frequencies. Even if you happen to have downpipes, this thing is still gonna be super quiet, extremely reserved, and totally normal for your daily operation. Absolutely perfect for the daily experience. We're in comfort mode right now. I'm just gonna open the valves. All that aggressive sound comes back. But even in comfort, in drive, just poodling around, you get that aggressive sound out back. The owner of this car actually had a Hellcat before, and he said, I'm not driving super aggressively, especially on my daily commute, but I want that kind of Hellcat aggressive sound, because those cars are just loud and exciting all the time. So I think we've definitely cracked it with this setup. 1500 RPM, nice amount of bass behind us. So much more enticing than the factory setup. Has a really nice motorsport sound. A roof pop. Very nice. Very nice. Pretty good. I talk to myself, then we both laugh.
is the X5 N63 V8 experience with the full Valvetronic system. Again, with the OEM downpipes, you get a nice OEM plus type of sound improvement. If BMW offered an M Performance exhaust for the platform, this is what we kind of picture it would be like. Our Valve Sport exhaust system increases the drama and excitement. Having the separate valve controller allows you to control those valves and leave it open at low RPM so you get some nice bass and aggressive sound inside the cabin. You don't need to drive the car all the time with your hair on fire to have it sound really good. Have those valves open at low RPM, which is something that I'm known for.
Hair on fire.
Hair on fire. This has been a great sound improvement for this vehicle. We hope you guys enjoyed. Soon, the customer has relayed he might want to do some more freer flowing components, so we'll bring you that video here shortly. The systems are available, and if you're looking to get this exhaust setup for your X5 or your X7 or your other big BMW platform, check us out at Valvetronic.com, and we look forward to making sure that all these V8 or B58 sounding X5s and X7s, all the big body cars sound as good as their M3 and M4 counterparts. We'll catch you guys in the next one.